Everyone, what's up? It's Daniel Hashi here with Hashi Trade. So I just want to talk about kind of a trade recap. I'm actually still in the trade and it's more of a long-term swing trade. And the stock I'm talking about today is PLTR, aka Palantir. Um, I just find it funny because I actually have a friend that says Palantir, but I've heard the company refer to themselves and they call themselves Palantir. So I'm very bullish on this stock. They actually beat the earnings report, which was on February 16th, by 3 cents per share, as reflected here. Now, it still sold off after that day, but I was looking at it and I also saw Kathy Wood of ARK Invest say that she was adding to position on the dip and she saw it as a dip buy opportunity. So I said, you know what? I think that this stock also has a lot of potential. And if you look at the daily here, it hit an all-time high of $44 and it was trading in the $25 level, but it really was kind of acting as a level of support. So I actually bought in at $25.40 and I've been holding since the day they got in after it sold off after the earnings report. Now I'm already up around $4 per share because it's currently trading at $29 and it just reversed that trend too. So I really think that long term I'm also bullish on this company because even though there's a lot of financial market media that likes to bash them and sometimes they get called a meme stock, at the end of the day they're getting a lot of new contracts. They are doing data science, which I think is really a way forward. It's disruptive technology, as Kathy Wood would like to call it, and they're expanding. They are opening up I wouldn't say operations, but they're expanding to Japan and they're getting new contracts quite frequently. So I think that in the future they can continue to grow and increase their value and revenue, and that's why I'm bullish overall on Palantir. So there you have it. What do you think of Palantir? Do you think it's a meme stock? Do you think it's just another GME, or do you think that it has long-term potential? Please let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the markets next week. Bye. I'm back here again. I ended the video a little bit early because I got a little nervous. Even though there's literally no one here, for some reason when I'm talking on camera I still get a little mild anxiety, and I'm hoping I'm hitting all the points I intended to make, but it's something I'm working on now. As you can see on my screen here, I've got the definition of data management up. Why I have that is because I intended to explain that Palantir really works on data science and data management, and that's why it's a disruptive technology now, as especially during the time of coronavirus and everything going on and a lot of companies being mostly remote. It's really important to be cost effective and secure with your data and to find efficient ways to store it and organize it. So that's definitely something Palantir does, but this is actually stolen from Oracle.com, and Oracle also is doing something very similar, and they talk about the importance of managing data in an organization, in a company, in a business, all of those things. So that's definitely important in moving forward. Even though we're already in such a huge digital age, it's just going to continue to be more and more so. So that's basically what Palantir is. That's what they do, and many other companies are doing the same thing, but I think that there's a lot of potential for growth, and as I said before, Palantir is getting a lot of contracts and attention and investment intention as well, even though you'll see all over the media that it's a meme stock. I truly do not believe that. So there you go. Part 2 done, I swear.